Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss about how you can convert a decimal fraction number to a binary number. Okay, as you can see that we have a base 10. That means this number is nothing but a decimal number and it is having the decimal point as well, or we can say it, this one is the floating point number and the decimal point is 0.75. So to convert this type of number, you have to do two type of system. First, you have to convert this number to binary number, and then after the decimal point you have to do the operations, or you have to convert this number as well. So first we will convert this as our conventional way that we have seen our previous video. So for that, what we have to do, we have to divide this number by 2. If we will divide it by 2, then it will be 52 and the remainder will be 1. Again we have to divide it by 2, then the output will be 26 and the remainder will be 0. Again, if we will divide it 26 by 2, the answer will be 13 and the remainder will be 0. And again, if we will do the same operation, that means divide, then we will get 6 and the remainder will be 1. And if again we'll do it, then the answer will be 3 and the remainder will be 0. And lastly, if we'll divide it again, then we'll get 1 as the result and the remainder also 1. So when it reaches to 1, then you have to stop it, and this one is the most significant digit in this case and this one is the least significant digit. So that's why we had to go in this way, bottom to top. So the answer will be 1101,001. So if we'll convert 105 decimal number to binary number system, the answer will be 1101,001. And now we have to do the operations for after the point 0.75. So what we have to do for this? For this case we have to multiply by 2. So in this case you can see that we have 0.75, okay, which is of the base 10. Now we have to multiply 0.75 by 2, so it will be 1.50. And here you have to identify this one is there, so we have to note the 1 over here. Again we are getting 0.50, so again we have to take this and we have to multiply by 2 again, so it will be 1.00. So here we have to identify this one and we have to take it 1. As you can see now, the point here were 00. That means if it will be 00, you no need to multiply by 2 again. Okay. So if other than 0.75, if it will be other number, then you have to multiply by 2 again. And you have to remember this point, we need to make it close to 00. Okay, close to 00. If it will be close to 0, then you can take that number and the number will be in this fashion from top to bottom in this case. So in this case it will be 1. So for that reason, so if you convert it 75, then it will be 0.11. Okay, so our final output will be this one, 1101,001.11, because we are getting this 0.11, you are getting 11 for the 0.75. So that's why this is our final result. Okay, I hope you understood how you can convert a decimal fraction to binary conversion. So if you have any confusion, you can write it in the comment section. We will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.